Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare protein powder. First, select your favorite protein powder, whether it's whey, casein, or plant-based. Next, pick a liquid like water, milk, or a milk alternative. You'll also need a shaker bottle with a mixing ball or a blender for a smoother consistency. Make sure your scoop is clean and ready to measure the right amount of powder for your serving. Now, let's get to mixing. Carefully add 1 scoop of your protein powder into your shaker bottle or blender. Then, pour in about 8 to 12 ounces of your chosen liquid. This range allows for personal preference in thickness. Remember to secure the lid tightly before you start shaking or blending to avoid any messy accidents. Once everything is in, it's time to mix. If using a shaker bottle, shake vigorously for 15 to 30 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved. For a blender, blend for 20 to 40 seconds to achieve a perfectly smooth, lump-free drink. You can also add a few ice cubes or some fresh fruit for an extra cold and delicious shake. Your protein shake is now ready to enjoy. For optimal benefits, drink it soon after preparation, especially post-workout. Don't forget to clean your shaker bottle or blender right away to prevent any residue from drying. Also, for those who love to read, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.